In this video, let us solve 38th question of SSLC Maths 2025 to 26 model question paper number 1. The question carries 5 marks. The question is, a hollow solid is made by placing a cylinder on an inverted cone as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and cone are 7 cm and their heights are 12 cm and 9 cm respectively. The solid is filled with water up to the height of 2/3 of the height of the cylinder. Find the amount of water in the solid. Calculate the amount of water required to fill the solid completely. This question is taken from the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes of the Solid. Here what has been given? Two structures are there. One is cylinder, another one is cone. For cylinder, radius is 7 cm and radius is 7 cm for cone also. Height of the cylinder is 12 cm. Radius of cone is 7 cm. Height of the cone is 9 cm. The amount of water in the solid up to here means cylinder's height is here 2/3 of the original height of the cylinder. So now we can height of the cone is 9 cm only for this question. Here the height of the cylinder is 12 into 2/3, 2/3 the height of cylinder. 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 twos are 8. So height of the cylinder is water is filled up to 8 cm height of the cylinder. Now we have to find what? Amount of water in the solid. Now how much of water is there in the solid, and we have to also find the amount of water to fill the solid. Means we have to put more water. We have to find this amount of water. Okay, now let us solve. Now let us solve it. Amount of water in the solid means water up to here. How much of water is there in the container? How we have to calculate? Volume of this cone, observe the figure, plus volume of the cylinder up to the height of 8 cm. So volume of cone, we know the formula for the volume of the cone, isn't it? 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Here let us substitute the values. Here r is 7, height is 9 cm. Here radius is 7 and height is 8 cm. Here from here to here 8 cm. Observe the figure. Now let us substitute the values. Height is 9 cm. Where we have put the values for the cone plus 22/7 into r is 7 square into 8. Height is 8 cm. Here you can observe that you can take the common things outside. 22/7 into 7 square. 22/7 into 7 square. Okay, inside the bracket 1/3 into 9 plus here 8. Now 7 is cancelled in the numerator. 22 into 7 in this part. Here 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 3 plus 8. 22 into 7 into 3 plus 8. That is equal to how much? 22 into 7 is 154 into 3 plus 8 is 11. 154 into 11 is equal to 1694. So volume of the amount of the water in the solid up to here is what? 1694 centimeter cube. Now let us find the amount of water required to fill the solid. Means we have to fill the water this level, this length. Okay. Total, it can be calculated as total amount of the solid, means pi r square h, volume of the cylinder, plus volume of the cone minus what? Amount of water in the solid. We have to calculate it as the like it. Total amount of the solid, we know it, 1 by 3 pi r square h plus pi r square h. Here height is 12 centimeter, here height is 9 centimeter. You have to apply the values. Minus 1694. That means amount of water in the solid up to this height. But more easily we can calculate the value like this. Here height of the cylinder we have to fill is 12 minus here 8, no? We have already calculated. So this is 4 centimeter. So amount of water required to fill the solid is volume of the cylinder. Here we have to take the height of the cylinder as 4 centimeter, radius as 7 centimeter. Substitute the values. Pi means 22 by 7, r square 7 square, h 4. Here 7 get cancels. That is equal to 154. 22 into 7 into 4, which is equal to 616 centimeter cube. So the amount of water required to fill the solid is 616 centimeter cube. I hope you have understood the concept very well. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.